Welcome to my channel Ajay Rock. Today we discuss Anglo-Saxon period 450 to 1066. So lots of author in this period introduce Old English Anglo-Saxon period. So starting from the Anglo-Saxon and Jute are known as the Anglo-Saxon. So when we talk about Anglo-Saxon and Jute, so we will in 450 to 1066 the era of Anglo-Saxon period. The Anglos and Saxons tribes were the largest of the three attacking tribes, and so we often know them as Anglo-Saxons. So we call the Anglos and Saxons tribes were the largest three attacking tribes. So in the era of 450 to 1066, the three attacking tribes. So the Angles and Saxons tribes is one of the largest attacking tribes in the world scenario on the 450, 450 to 1066 period. So they shared the same language but were each ruled by different strong warriors. So in this sentence is said that the strong warriors has ruled, and their language will be different. So on that 450 to 1066 era, the Angles and Saxons tribes is one of the third largest attacking tribes, but the warriors of that time that who ruled the who ruled the who ruled that time period, but their language of every warriors will be different on that time 450 to 1066 era. This period encompasses literature written in Anglo-Saxon. So this period encompasses literature written in Anglo-Saxon during the 600-year Anglo-Saxon period of Britain. So Anglo-Saxon period 600 year is from Britain